The consumer tech landscape is about to experience a massive paradigm shift, and it all centers around a machine that Apple has secretly been developing to rewrite the rules of personal computing, the MacBook Neo 2026. For years, the laptop market has felt predictable, with incremental processor updates and minor battery improvements dominating the annual release cycles. But this new powerhouse is designed to shatter that monotony entirely. Industry insiders and supply chain leaks indicate that Cupertino is not just updating a product line this time. Instead, they're introducing an entirely new category of performance that targets the absolute limits of what portable hardware can achieve. The MacBook Neo 2026 represents a departure from traditional design philosophies, blending extreme neural processing capabilities with a form factor that seems almost impossibly thin. Rumors surging through premium tech circles suggest that this device is aimed squarely at power users who demand zero compromises, combining the efficiency of next-generation silicon with an architecture optimized for intensive artificial intelligence workflows and heavy spatial computing integration. As we look closely at the leaked specifications, it becomes clear that the hardware engineering team has focused on eliminating every single bottleneck that has plagued content creators, software developers, and data scientists for the past decade. The heart of this revolution lies in a brand new silicon architecture that bypasses the limitations of current generation chips, utilizing a proprietary manufacturing process that crams billions of additional transistors into a microscopic footprint. This means the MacBook Neo 2026 can handle sustained, high-temperature rendering and complex algorithmic computations without ever triggering the dreaded thermal throttling that slows down older systems. What makes this transition so fascinating is how Apple has managed to balance this extreme raw power with a battery subsystem that defies the laws of modern lithium-ion limitations. Users can expect multi-day battery life, even under strenuous workloads, a feat achieved through a combination of intelligent power routing algorithms and a completely overhauled thermal management system that completely discards traditional fan placement. The display technology on the MacBook Neo 2026 is another massive leap forward, moving beyond standard liquid retina configurations to introduce a dual-layer emissive matrix that offers unparalleled color accuracy and infinite contrast ratios. This screen is engineered to remain perfectly visible under direct, bright sunlight while drawing a fraction of the power required by previous generations, making it an absolute dream for mobile professionals who refuse to be tethered to an office desk. Every single design choice behind the MacBook Neo 2026 seems calculated to make current premium laptops look like ancient relics from a bygone era, establishing a new benchmark for what consumers should expect from a high-end device. Security and connectivity have also received a ground-up redesign, incorporating advanced cryptographic coprocessors that secure user data at a hardware level against sophisticated modern threats, alongside ultra-wideband communication modules that allow instantaneous data syncing with surrounding ecosystems. The more we uncover about the internal architecture, the more evident it becomes that this machine is built to last for the next decade, rendering standard upgrade cycles completely obsolete for anyone lucky enough to secure one at launch. The integration of artificial intelligence within the core operating framework of the MacBook Neo 2026 marks the true turning point for this generation of hardware. Apple has moved away from cloud-dependent processing, ensuring that the MacBook Neo 2026 relies almost entirely on an on-device, highly specialized neural engine capable of executing trillions of operations per second without a single byte of data leaving the local storage. This shift ensures absolute privacy for high-profile creators and corporate enterprises while unlocking real-time video upscaling, instant code compilation, and fluid generative workflows that happen entirely in the background. Imagine a workspace where your laptop anticipates your creative decisions, pre-rendering timelines, and optimizing resource allocation before you even hit the export button. The MacBook Neo 2026 accomplish this through a deeply intertwined relationship between its custom silicon and the next major iteration of its operating system, which has been coded from scratch specifically to utilize this hardware layout. For creators targeting the high-revenue markets of the West, this means rendering complex 8K workflows or compiling massive application databases happens in seconds rather than hours, completely transforming the economics of digital production. The physical chassis of the MacBook Neo 2 2026 also breaks new ground, utilizing a highly advanced aerospace alloy that is significantly lighter than traditional aluminum while offering double the structural rigidity. This ensures that despite its razor-thin profile, the laptop can withstand the rigors of heavy daily travel without any risk of chassis flex or internal component strain. The keyboard mechanism has been subtly refined as well, utilizing a low-profile magnetic levitation system that provides crisp, tactile feedback with minimal key travel, reducing typing fatigue during long, grueling production sessions. The trackpad has evolved into a fully dynamic haptic surface that can simulate various textures and resistance levels depending on the software you are using, giving video editors and digital artists a physical, tactile connection to their digital timelines. Audio capabilities on the MacBook Neo 2 2026 have been elevated to studio-grade levels, featuring an array of 6 acoustic drivers that project a wide, spatial soundstage capable of mimicking a dedicated surround sound environment without the need for external speakers. This makes the MacBook Neo 2 2026 a completely self-contained production studio, allowing users to mix audio, edit cinema-grade footage, and manage complex multi-stream broadcasts from absolutely anywhere in the world. As we analyze the market positioning of the MacBook Neo 2 2026, it becomes clear that Apple is targeting a highly lucrative segment of professionals who view their hardware not as a luxury item, but as a critical revenue-generating tool. The global supply chain hints that production costs for this specialized hardware are exceptionally high, which will inevitably reflect in a premium launch price. Yet the value proposition remains unmatched due to the massive time savings the machine offers. The memory architecture inside the MacBook Neo 2 2026 utilizes a unified pool of ultra-high bandwidth memory that operates at speeds previously reserved for enterprise-grade server farms. This eliminates the traditional latency between the graphics processor and the central processing unit, allowing massive 3D environments and complex textures to load instantaneously without caching delays. This unified approach means that even the baseline configurations of the MacBook Neo 2 2026 will comfortably outperform fully spec'd out workstations from competitor brands, creating a massive competitive advantage for early adopters. The connectivity suite has been future-proofed with the inclusion of next-generation data ports that offer double the transfer speeds of current standards, allowing massive multi-terabyte project files to move between external arrays and internal storage in the blink of an eye. For anyone working with uncompressed high bitrate media, the MacBook Neo 2 2026 represents the ultimate freedom from progress bars and loading screens. The wireless modules have also been upgraded to support cutting-edge high-frequency bands, ensuring stable, gigabit-speed internet connections even in crowded urban environments or remote locations using modern satellite receivers. Every element of the MacBook Neo 2 2026 works in perfect harmony to create an uninterrupted flow state for the user, removing the friction that traditionally exists between human creativity and computer execution. The implications of this hardware release will ripple across the entire tech industry, forcing competitors to completely reevaluate their product roadmaps just to stay relevant in a market that Apple is poised to dominate. Looking closer at the competitive landscape, the arrival of the MacBook Neo 2 2026 comes at a time when consumers are growing tired of minor design iterations and demand true innovation. The leaks surrounding the cooling system of the MacBook Neo 2 2026 are particularly telling, pointing toward a phase-change vapor chamber that distributes heat across the entire surface area of the chassis with remarkable efficiency. This allows a MacBook Neo 2 2026 to run entirely silent under 90% of daily use cases, removing the distracting high-pitched fan whine that has long been the bane of audio professionals and video editors working in quiet studio environments. The display panel also introduces a variable refresh rate that can drop down to a single frame per second when displaying static text, saving massive amounts of energy, and then scale up instantaneously to ultra-smooth performance metrics when handling rapid motion or high frame rate video editing. This dynamic scaling is completely invisible to the naked eye, providing a seamless visual experience that feels deeply premium and intensely responsive.